To manage call barring in Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open our phone dialer. Navigate to the three lines in the top left corner of the screen and enter the settings. Next step is to find the calling account and here click on carrier related settings. Go for the call barring and that way we'll be able to select our SIM card and then we can manage the settings after a few moments of loading. Okay, so first thing is outgoing call barring, and you can activate all outgoing calls. You can also enable or disable outgoing international calls and outgoing international roaming calls. Additionally, with that, there's incoming call barring, and you can reject all incoming calls, reject incoming calls while roaming, and also there's option for cancel all restrictions and change the restrictions password. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.